Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In previous video I was show the menu module in our QTCar HMI application, and today in this video I will show you the main dashboard screen or main home module in our QTCar HMI application and QTQML application. So let me run this application first. So this is the main home screen module in our QTCar HMI application, where you can see the speedometer, or I also display the weather indication, and also here you can display the some basic car information like number of speed, number total kilometers run of your system, and other things like fuel indication and other things. Here I also added some ventilation and air conditioner controls like control the temperature or adjust the fan speed. Here I also added some controls like air conditioner and ventilation controls. So you can also access for that from here. And this is the some basic slider control to make a adjustable for the user to control the fan speed, and this is the air condition controls. Here I also display here some basic timer, and this is our qt with kitten, and this is the basic speedometer module, which is I also display in a home screen here, and this is the sub module of here, and this is the weather indication, and here you can also display here some other car information like battery percentage if it's a EV car. So this is our final car HMI application. So here I create a 5 modules. This is a home screen module, this is a navigation module where I had defined here a fixed path Mumbai to Paragraj, and this is the sound music module, this is the menu module, and this is our main dashboard screen module. So I will make a simple tutorial to create each and every video with code, where you can access the and learn from how to develop this kind of modules in our QTQML application, or how to design this kind of application in our QTQML application. So please join our YouTube channel and access that kind of a content to learn a advanced module of our QTQML application. So please like this video and share this video with your friend, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get a notification of new video. And thanks for watching my video. Thank you.